Trying to track calories without manual entry, BitePal says its AI does the work for you. But does this app actually help you track food and calories accurately, or is it more fun than fictional? Let's find out. So BitePal is an AI-powered calorie tracker and food journal that lets you snap a photo of your meal and then attempts to identify the food and estimate calories and macros automatically. It gamifies the experience with a raccoon mascot and simple progress goals to make tracking feel less boring. Here's what people do enjoy. Takes the effort out of manual logging by recognizing food from pics. Fun gamified interface with a virtual pet that encourages consistency and great for general awareness for eating habits, especially for beginners or casual use. Many users say it makes tracking less intimidating than traditional logs, but there are some major downsides. Calorie estimates can be wildly inaccurate. The AI often misidentifies ingredients or overestimates amounts. You can't adjust portions easily in many cases, especially in the free version. Several reviewers report subscription trouble, hidden charges, and tough refund policies, calling it scam-like due to billing issues. It lacks precision for serious tracking. Many users say they still double-check or correct data manually. So does ViveHal actually help track calories? Sort of. The AI photo feature can give you a quick ballpark estimate, which is great for casual tracking and awareness, but it's not reliable enough for precise calorie counting. And some users have problems with subscriptions and accuracy. If you want fun and easy tracking, it's worth trying. Just don't rely on it for exact numbers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.